Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to set up your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot and position it where signal from the router is strongest. First, enable Wi-Fi on the phone and turn off any VPNs or data caps that could block tethering. Once done, open Settings, enable Hotspot or Portable Hotspot, and create a clear SSID and strong password. Make sure the phone is plugged into power and within a few meters of the router so it can catch the best signal to rebroadcast. Now you'll make devices use the phone as the middleman. For Android, open Wi-Fi settings and look for a tethering option called Wi-Fi repeater or Wi-Fi sharing. Enable it so the phone connects to the router and shares that connection via hotspot. For iPhone, personal hotspot can share cellular but cannot repeat another Wi-Fi signal, so use USB or Bluetooth tethering instead. Once enabled, connect your laptop or finish by testing normal browsing and a speed test to confirm throughput. If latency or drops happen, reposition the phone closer to the router and away from interference. If clients show connected but no internet, turn the phone's hotspot off and back on, forget and rejoin SSID, and reboot the router if necessary. Make sure the phone stays plugged in to avoid power throttling and monitor carrier tethering limits. This keeps the temporary extender stable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.